Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change straps on Apple Watch Ultra 3. First of all, place your Apple Watch face down carefully on a clean surface to make sure not to damage it, and then take a look on the back side of your Apple Watch. Here you're gonna spot two buttons, which are the release buttons, band release buttons, and what you have to do is carefully press one of these two buttons and then start pushing your strap aside, the side of it which is attached to your Apple Watch, and then do the same thing from the other side. So carefully press the band release button and then start pulling your strap to the side, and this way you will remove the strap from your Apple Watch. Now the only thing that's left is to apply a new one. So in my case I'm just gonna use the previous one just to show you how it's done. Simply apply the new strap to your Apple Watch by pushing it inside like this until it clicks. Do it carefully. Okay, and from the other side. So just like this you can change straps on your Apple Watch Ultra 3. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.